Owen, this book's for you. Little Blue Truck. You have your copy. I see a blue truck, a cow, a pig, a goose, a chicken, a bird, a horse, sheep, a goat. What else can you see? Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. There goes the toad. He's jumping. Toad's like a frog, huh? Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. There he goes, the toad crossing. Sheep said, bah. Cow said, moo. There's the cow. Oink, said the piggy. Beep, said Blue. Oh gosh, this is a big book, Owen. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said peep. Meh, said a goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Turn the page. Honk, yelled a dump truck coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Look at the duck. Is he running away from the truck? He looks happy. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. He got stuck in the mud. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Here's the dump truck, and they're all watching. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Here he comes. He sees him in his rear view mirror. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck. There they are. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. Everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? See the toad? All together, 1, 2, 3, One last push and the trucks were free. Look at all the trucks. Oh, that one has dirt on it. Oh, look at the cow. The cow's dirty too. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, meh. There they are. They're all in the truck. Beep, beep, beep. The end. Bye, Owen.